Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Everyone, watch this one.
I am going to make a challenge with Allah's tawfiq today. Razi, rest of the steel will be between you and me. If I prove today, without any doubt, that Mirza Ghulam believed in this, the Isa alayhi salam of the Quran, he used to drink alcohol and he had relationship with the prostitute. If I prove it today on the live stream, would you then denounce Ahmadiyya live? Inshallah, I promise you one thing. The evidence I will produce, inshallah, that will be conclusive on these two allegations. That Mirza Ghulam believed this about Isa alayhi salam. He was not giving any accusative or ilzami jawab. So I want Razi, because Razi, you have to respond to this. If it is proven today, are you going to denounce Ahmadiyya publicly today? That's my challenge to you. Because my claim is, I swear by Allah, Mirza Ghulam believed in this. The Isa alayhi salam was an alcoholic and he had relationship with the prostitute. I swear by Allah, Mirza Ghulam believed in this. I am challenging you. Accept my challenge today.
Mr. Razi and Ahmadiyya establishment, let's debate this decisive topic, because once it's proven that Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani had this belief which I just mentioned, it will prove him to be a disbeliever, a kafir. And a disbeliever and a kafir cannot be a reviver or a mujaddid or messiah. Can he dare to accept our challenge?